Every e-commerce application that is built with size e-commerce at its core needs a sizing system that captures the user size as well as the sizes of the products that the application sells. The goal of size e-commerce is always to personalize the experience for each user, starting their size. In the case of clothing, I added not just personalization based on size, but also personalization based on many other key things, like the city or state or country of the user, the type of fabric, style, and color the user needs. It is of utmost importance that over time, the sizing system, any size e-commerce, should be better, as this will make users trust the sizing. You don't have to use AI or ML models to implement the sizing system in the size e-commerce application. However, this is what I did. As long as the sizing meets the minimum expectation of the users, you are good. I advise you to start small, at least meeting the minimum requirements for the sizing, and then continue to improve the sizing. It is always a good thing to remember the goal of size e-commerce as you build the application, which is the ultimate satisfaction user by solving the user sizing for the e-commerce. I want to show how ClothMe's AI works, the data that the user supplies, and the result generates. How the generated sizes are used in ClothMe give a different experience in regular fashion e-commerce. I'm going to use a whiteboard in this video. In the next video, I'll do a walkthrough of ClothMe's app. Every size e-commerce application should allow users to create their size in one way or the other, but it should be a simple process so users don't feel frustrated. ClothMe provides two ways to add sizes to its size e-commerce application. One option, the user needs to provide date of birth, gender, height, weight, two photos, one facing front and the other facing side. Here's an example of how you should pose in the photo. For the front pose, it should be in a star position, and for the side pose, it should be in a mountain pose. Once you provide these inputs to ClothMe, the AI will use them to generate your sizes for both regions. I will show the size details, but let's first see what the inputs are for the second. You need to provide size measurement for a few body parts for the second option. For tops, you will need to provide chest, bust size, sleeve length, waist hips. It will be nice and easy to provide just the sizing symbol, like an S as in for small or M as in medium. But remember that sizing is different for both. The size S for Zara is often slightly different from the size S for Polo or H&M. So asking for just the size symbol will not be enough. If you want to use the second option, you will need to do a manual measurement. For pants, you will need to provide leg length, inseam, thigh, and ankle. Once you add these inputs, ClothMe will use its algorithms to calculate the size, just like if you provided the inputs using the first option. Regardless of the option you choose to use, ClothMe will still use its algorithms to generate sizes for multiple regions and products that serves all brands. As of now, the sizing results from ClothMe, we have the following regions: North America, EU, Asia, Africa, Australia. For some of the regions, we'll return certain countries like Japan, India, Russia, etc. As you can see, ClothMe generates sizes for these products at the same time. I will continue to add more sizes weekly, maybe even daily, or when the need arises. What the sizes represent are your size for the various products. So for jeans, this is your size. For jackets, this is what ClothMe estimates. These are the products that ClothMe generates sizes. Like I said, I'm going to be adding more products weekly or as they are needed. You'll notice that ClothMe returns sizes in 3 overall size categories: slim size, normal, and loose sizes. What this means is products with slim size will fit closely, like slightly tight. Normal sizes will fit regularly with some space between your body and the clothes. And products with loose sizes will have more space. You will see how these details are used and displayed in the ClothMe store's view for each profile. Every product you see in the store view, each profile is based on these sizes. And I can guarantee that as you use ClothMe, the size will get better. Even the personalization will get better. And we'll talk more on personalization and preferences upcoming. I also hope to do a demo video how the ClothMe app works sometime before the festival. I don't want to make this video any longer. In the next video, I will show some key differences between size e-commerce and e-commerce.
As usual, what is your fashion story? Drop it in the comment. I'll read them and reply when I can. Check out other videos on this channel.
If you want, you can follow me on this journey.
Please subscribe and click on the notification icon. You can also follow me on other social media platforms. I post daily on the progress of building ClothMe. Until next time, I am Paul. Stay blessed, stay hungry. Bye-bye.